YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make white sesame tofu. This is another tofu dish. And then this can be both savory food or dessert. Usually we eat this dish at the restaurant. But I like this dish, so I make at home. This is called white sesame tofu, but actually it's not made of soybean. Instead of using soybean, we use Kudzu powder today. Are you interested in making this dish? Let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients. But first, please put Kudzu powder in a pot. Then we'll add water and then dissolve it. This is the sesame paste. It looks like tahini, but it's made of the white sesame. So we will use this one. In Japanese, it is called nerigoma. So when you go to the supermarket, please find nerigoma there. Now we will use Miso muddler. Do you remember this tofu? We used this one when we made the miso soup. So let's take out 3 tablespoons white sesame paste. Like that. And then dissolve the white sesame paste in a pot. And then after mixed the water and the sesame paste, we start to heat the pot. And the heat is a low heat, so please continue stirring for 10 minutes. Smells good. By the way, we'll make this dish as for neutral flavor. So if you want to eat this dish as for savory food, please use the dashi soup stock. This one, the soup stock. Please also check my previous videos. I introduced how to make dashi soup stock there. And then for sweets, it may be good to add a little bit sugar in it to be more sweeter. But I like not too sweet, so I didn't add sugar today. But I will add maple syrup later. Okay, in the meantime, I will introduce about Kudzu. So this is a Kudzu powder I usually use. It is called Yoshino Kudzu. It's kind of brand. And then it's made of the plant. It's a Kudzu plant. And we use this Kudzu powder a lot for Japanese sweets. It's a plant-based ingredients, so I recommend for vegetarians and then vegan. Please try that. This is the Kudzu starch powder. It's like a small rocks. Now it gets thickened and almost done. Now let's prepare the ice cubes with water. Then pile up the other container. Now it's done. We pour the mixture in the upper container. Then pour a little of water over the mixture. The ice cubes really melt so fast. So please change water occasionally. You may also use the bigger container to cool down the mixture. So now after cutting and then serve on a bowl, we will add the maple syrup. Now the white sesame tofu is done.はい、それでは完成しました。味見をしてみましょう。いただきます。練りごまとあとはメープルシロップの味がとってもマッチしていて、
柔らかくてとても安心する味です。体に優しい、そして健康的なデザートという印象です。きっとお子さんにもいいと思いますよ。今回は白ごまを使ってみたんですが、黒ごまのペーストもぜひ使ってみてください。また違った味がすると思います。How was the White Sesame Tofu recipe today? Would you like to try making it? I hope so. And then I hope you like this video. And then I hope you will push like buttons. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.